Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Traveler. Hope this finds you well. Well, tonight I'm just going to show you a little bit of some cooking that we're going to do. You remember me telling you it's not all beans and weenies? What we're having tonight is we're going to have chicken stuffed with guacamole spread, wrapped in bacon, and we are going to cook it in the Dutch oven. But as usual, I have to put you down, flip you around because I need both hands to prepare this. But you can see what we got going here right now. Can you see them chicken breasts right there? Or chicken thighs, if you will. You split them in half. There's the bacon. Oh yeah, gotta have bacon. Everything I do is cooked on either the open fire or this Coleman grill. You can kind of see that, I think. See? Yeah. Coleman grill. Propane. So I'm going to fry it in there first. 2 to 3 minutes per side. And then I'm going to put it in the Dutch oven. Anyway, I'm going to set you down for a minute. And then I'll come back to you. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to show you how to do this. I got some started. And, I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. But I'm going to show you, it's cake. This stuff is just like making cake. You just put the guac in there like that. Like that. You flip it. You grab your bacon. And you wrap the bacon around the chicken. That's what you mean. I like dark meat. I'm partial to the leg and thigh. So that's what I did with this. It's thigh meat. Boneless, skinless thigh meat. And that's not for me. I don't eat very healthy. I eat good. I don't eat healthy. I like the skin. I like the fat. So, but other people are more conscious than I am. So, this is what you do there. Then you take your Dutch oven and you take the ones that are complete, set them in the Dutch oven, like so, and we will just set them on the bottom like that, and we'll stack them up is what we'll do. One on top of the other. See? Stack them up. So see these, we can flip. Because they are golden brown, like I like, delicious. Anyways, boom, baya. Gotta stack them like so. See? Easy. It's cake. Anybody can do it. Like I say, cake. Upside down. Alright, I'll get with you in a minute. Alright, people. I got the fire going. And I'm going to spread these coals around so we can put the Dutch oven right in the center. Right dead center of this sucker. And that will assist it in its cooking. Now, of course, y'all know, maybe some of you don't, for a Dutch oven to work, you need to put your coals on the top of it, which will assist it in cooking. But this needs to be flipped around, and it's hot, so Brandy Man ain't gonna touch it. But I got my trusty flippers here. Yes, trusty flippers. A piece of cardboard, whatever you got. Grab it, put it over top of it. Anyway, now you put your coals on top. And what that does is that forms a oven. So we can cook it. What we're going to do is we're going to cook it for about 20 minutes. And we should have nice, crispy, well done chicken. This right here is the block of wind, of course. All right, cut. Okay, along with the chicken stuffed with guacamole, wrapped in bacon, we're gonna have lettuce. See, lettuce. We have lettuce salad. And so I guess I do eat kind of healthy. Lettuce keeps a guy regular. But I waste a lot of lettuce. I do slice it very thin. It's easier to digest. Or listen to me, one of my Dr. Randy. But they tell me it's easier to digest if lettuce is cut thin. So I'm going to believe them. And then, see how easy that is? Like they say, booyah bam zamma. And we're cooking for approximately 10 people, so you know what? I'm just going to do the whole darn thing. I didn't like that. It's discolored. And the other reason why I do this, it's just easier to chew. Okay. Now, for the tomato slicing. And since we got, like I say, approximately 10 people eating this, some people don't like tomatoes. I don't slice squadouche, because they can pick them out easier. Now the onions, that's a different story. There is a small technique to my onion cutting, and my wife don't understand why I do it like this. Maybe it's partly OCD, I don't know. Maybe not. But when I make a salad, the onions have to be small. And they are small by the time I get done with it. Make sure you see no red on your knife when you're cutting the onions. If so, yeah, let's start over again. Sal, you like onions?
Oh, I love onions.
Good deal. Sal is my cameraman tonight. And they have a channel, him and his wife, and it's called S&S and the Mobile Cats, is that right?
S&S and the RV Cats.
The RV Cats. All right. And mobile travelers just kind of, yeah, forgetful sometimes. So, and you toss the salad. You see that? I could toss the salad. Yeah, right. Salad making's easy. Now, gotta have a little bit of salt with your salad. Boom, boom, boom. And what I use is coarse kosher salt. Packs a punch, guys. All right. That is it until this is cooked. Finished product coming right up. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. This is the finished product. The chicken turned out great. There's the salad. And got a few other things that I don't got on the table. So,
well, it looks good to me.
looks good to the people. All right. Sal, you want? Remember, guys, you don't have to eat just beans and wings and, you know, hamburgers. You can do a plethora of things. So, hang loose, travel on, love one another. That's it.